Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, a good day to all. I hope so everyone's doing well and having a great day. So today, this video is a continuation of the previous video regarding side parking, which is close to the main road. However, it is as well, we need to park the car closer to those cars behind. So right now I choose this parking space since it is not allowed for us to park the car close to the gate of houses. So we have to adjust. I have to adjust this car to a parking space close to those cars behind. So what to do here is to adjust the car by turning initial half turn to the right side and keep reversing and looking to the gap, so that it will be like the car will be closer to the pavement, but it's not enough. So I'm gonna add another half turn again, so it will really go closer to the pavement, and then turn the wheel to the left side as well, so that the car will straighten to the parking space. And then once we notice that it's already like straight, we have to keep reversing back like behind. So let the wheel first, like straighten the wheel, and then keep reversing, okay, going closer to those cars behind, until we can see in our mirror the line it's underneath the behind door lock. Then after that we have to we are parked to the parking, and then how to move out. So first thing, we need to look at the left mirror and then even sort of check and then indicate left, and then move when it's safe and there is no car approaching behind, so it's very safe to move. Then only we can merge back to the road. Okay, so once again we will look for another parking space, and also we have to park the car like closer to the to cars, since the one that I can see now is this Pajero and the small car, and I want to park in between them, but the gap, the space is very big as well. Like there are like 4 parking spaces in between them. But yeah, so how to adjust? So this time I need to be closer to the Pajero, the car behind, because it's very hard for me to be close in the front, and then there is the car is crooked to the parking. So what I'm gonna do is to turn initial one turn to the right side, initial one round of the steering wheel to the right side to remove the gap. And I'd rather choose the to be closer to the Pajero behind, because I have this space to use. Okay, so I have to switch to reverse and then keep reversing back while the car is like moving, removing the gap, and then letting the behind of the car getting closer to the pavement behind, and then turn the wheel back once again, and then turn to the left side, and let's see if it's straightened, and it will be like okay, and it will be like it will go in. But I think so it's not enough. So once again we will try to turn once more to the right side, the wheel, so that we can remove the gap from the behind. Okay, so one round of the steering wheel to the right side, and then we can actually yes, one turn, and then slowly reversing back to the until we can remove the gap. We keep slowly reversing, okay, removing the gap, and we will see if it will be we are using the space behind until the car, we notice it like it's going in from the behind. Okay, so since it's the pavement is already underneath the door lock behind, so turn the wheel back to straight, like one round to the left side, so that it will back to straight, and then add another a turn to the left side, so that the car will, like, we will add one more turn, so it's like twice we turn to the left side, and then we keep reversing until we can be straight to the road. But if it's still like even not enough, but anyways there is like enough space there even if we keep reversing, so we have to once again turn the wheel like half to the right side. Okay, because we have to lead this car like closer to the pavement, and as well as going to the parking space, like parallel to that one, that the car behind. So it's turned half to remove the gap, half turn to the right side. Okay, this is an additional turn. Okay, and then once it's already again underneath the door lock, the behind door lock, then turn the wheel once again half to the left side. Yes, and slowly reversing, keep reversing and removing the gap, letting the car be closer to the pavement. Okay, from both sides. So here we go. It actually needs adjustment, and then once we are already like in, and we notice that the car is already like then we straight I mean inside, so we have to turn the wheel like half back, okay, to straighten the tires. And here we go. We are already like inside the parking space right now. Close, the car is already like very inside, closer to the pavement, and there is and we notice the line, the red line down, it's underneath the behind door lock, so we are very in, closer to the big car behind. So this is like we are already like very inside the parking space, and it's very safe. And if you have to leave the car, you want to go out the car, you have to make sure to look at the left mirror, even like shoulder check, so that for your safety, because it is close to the main road, and it's not like close to the other cars. So once we leave the car, we have to look at this mirror or even shoulder checking. So for now, how to leave the parking space. We have to first look at the mirror as well. Look at the mirror and observe, and then once the cars, like there are like no cars, like the cars are still far, so have a quarter steering to the left side, and then merge the road in a safer way, and then like keep switching until we are like fully back, and we will be like using the middle lane to continue driving all the way. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is just a follow-up video for last previous one. So inshallah, I hope so it helps everyone like understand more about side parking closer to the main road, even with other cars.